Take a deep breath in and relax. And take another deep breath in and relax. Relax, relax, relax. Feel how good it feels to progressively relax deeper and deeper. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. On each descending number, you will feel yourself going deeper, and you will enter a deeper, healthier level of mind. 10, 9, feel going deeper. 8, 7, 6, deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, deeper and deeper. 2 and 1. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. You may enter a deeper, healthier level of mind by simply relaxing your eyelids. Relax your eyelids. Feel how relaxed they are. Allow this feeling of relaxation to flow slowly downward throughout your body, all the way down to your toes. It's a wonderful feeling to be deeply relaxed, a very healthy state of being. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 and cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, you will project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation. I will then stop talking to you, and when you next hear my voice, 1 hour of time will have elapsed at this level of the mind. My voice will not startle you. You will take a deep breath, relax, and go deeper. 1, 2, project yourself mentally to your ideal place of relaxation. Until you hear my voice again, relax. Every sound you hear will help you go deeper and deeper and relax even more. Relax. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax and go deeper. The difference between genius mentality and average mentality is that geniuses use more of their minds and use them in a special manner. You are now learning to use more of your mind and to use it in a special manner. The following are beneficial statements that you may occasionally repeat while at these levels of the mind. Repeat mentally after me. My increasing mental faculties are for serving humanity better. Every day in every way, I'm getting better, better, and better. Positive thoughts, suggestions, and images bring me benefits and advantages I desire. I have full control and complete dominion over my sensing faculties at this level of the mind and any other level, including the outer conscious level, and this is so. I will always maintain a perfectly healthy body, mind, and immune system. Every day, in every way, I'm getting healthier, healthier, and healthier. Every day, in every way, I'm getting richer, richer, and richer. Every day, in every way, I'm getting more and more prosperous. I am thriving. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more intuitive. Every breath I take, my intuition increases. Every day, in every way, I am experiencing more and more freedom. and the removal of all blocks. Everything is working out even better than I'm imagining. Every situation, every experience, every interaction that I have, everything is working out even better than I've even thought of. And I am willing to receive even better every day, every minute, every second, and every hour. Now bring up in front of you a screen where you are projecting a hologram of yourself. And now project onto the hologram of yourself optimal, complete, and total healing from the head all the way down to the toes. See this blue and white healing energy being projected onto the hologram out in front of you. And see your body absorbing all of this healing energy. Now see yourself receiving all of this healing blue and white energy that is ramping up your intuition. Receive all of this now, from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. And see yourself with every breath that you take, your life becomes easier and easier and better. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5 and cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. 1, 2, coming out slowly now. 3, at the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. Feeling the way you feel when you have slept the right amount of revitalizing, refreshing, relaxing, healthy sleep. 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. Welcome back, geniuses.